Hi, my name is Aaron, and real quick, I'm gonna go through the website that I've been working on this semester. So, the business that I created is called Custom Invites. Currently, you can find it at the URL buckwaldrealestatemarketing.com. That is because halfway through the semester, I decided that my real estate templates that I was marketing were not the best, and so I switched it to Custom Invites. And so, basically, what I do is I design custom cards for any event and occasion. And so I'll go through my homepage real quick. What it is, we got a thank you, like logo showing that this saying like thank you for visiting our site. And so we have our mission statement right here. Let's get our guests excited by creating the best invitation for the moments that matter the most. And so here, if you just continue scrolling down on the main page, you'll see what we market. Our main things that we market are party invitations, social media invites, grad party invitations, wedding invites, thank you cards, and then birthday cards. And then if you had like a custom request, you can reach out to me and then we'll get something figured out for just based on what your needs are. And so basically, the reasoning behind why we did all these is because, well, party invitations, social media invites, very popular in Rexburg is Friday night parties a lot of people go to. Grad party invites allow us to target a high school audience or college even, because a lot of people have grad parties. So we design grad party cards. At BYU, we customize wedding invitations, letting people know about the big day. We have thank you cards because it's awesome to be thankful. It's something that we've taught a lot. We have birthday cards because they're unique and everyone loves opening birthday cards on their birthday. And so basically those are the main things that we offer on our website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and show you like the process of the customer's point of view. Basically, we go through the PayPal. That's how you purchase the thing. I'm not gonna do that because I already did one. So we go here. This is what I see. It's awesome. We have someone bought something off our website. So we come here and we can see the details of what they bought exactly. And then we're able to actually contact them, I think. And we can contact the buyer and let them get more information on what they would personally like if they want something customized, or if they just want like a basic whichever card that they chose. And so here's the part that I do, the service. For the example, I created a thank you card, and it says thank you, together we celebrate our first order, and then the two, and then a thank you, this part stays blank on the customer because they usually write something here. And then I put our logo right here for the business. That's a little invite that I created. So that's what my business is and what we do. And it's a little walkthrough of how we do it. Awesome. Thank you.